Hey guys, my name is David DeMuzio. I started going bald when I was about 23 years old. I have had 3 hair transplants, and now I finally have hair that I'm pretty happy with. Since documenting all of my hair transplants and hair loss process, I get written by companies all over the world every single day asking me to endorse their products. And very rarely do I. The only products that I endorse are products that I use myself and that I know work. The ones that are the most proven methods, because I don't want you to just waste your money. I want you to be getting value for your money. The reason that I recommend Keeps is that they provide 2 products that I use, and they're the only 2 FDA approved medications for hair loss. So Keeps has revolutionized the way that medication for hair loss is delivered. It used to be kind of annoying to get hair loss medication because you had to go see a doctor, you had to discuss your hair loss with them personally, and maybe this is someone that you see on a regular basis, and you have to admit, and it's always an awkward thing to talk about the fact that you feel like you're going bald, and who knows whether that person deals with a lot of people that are experiencing hair loss or not. Then you go stand in your pharmacy line, you meet that beautiful girl who's giving out the prescription, and she looks at the medication and goes, "Oh, yeah, you're going bald." But these days, you can just go on Keeps' website, a doctor reviews your pictures and all of your information, and then you have access to a doctor 24/7 through Keeps' website. And the medication just shows up in your mailbox. So super, super convenient. Going bald is super common, unfortunately. 2 out of 3 men will start going bald before the age of 35. 66% of men will experience hair regrowth using Keeps treatment. So why should you use Keeps? And why should I use Keeps if I've had 3 hair transplants? I mean, isn't that the whole point of having a hair transplant, is that you don't need any medication? One of the most important parts of having a hair transplant is using preventative treatments to stop further hair loss. And it might save you tens of thousands of dollars on expensive things like surgery if you started preventative treatments sooner. These days, we have some really great preventative non-surgical treatments for hair loss. So the sooner you get started, the sooner you can slow down and stop your hair loss. If you go to keeps.com/DavidDeMuzio, that's a special link that Keeps has given my followers that will give you a reduced rate on Keeps medication. It's one of the easiest, least expensive, most convenient ways to get FDA approved medication for hair loss. That's not an affiliate link, that's just my link, keeps.com/DavidDeMuzio. And stop and slow down your hair loss today. Thanks to Keeps for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you out.